everybody, it's Christine. Time for a scrapbook process video. And I need to use up, I'm so far behind on using up hip kit stuff, right? I've got this November 2023. You guys, it's freaking almost August. I'm so far behind. And so I'm going to use some of this. I think I've been holding on to this one because of this really cute, like, window cutout. But, you know, I can use this. I may use this on, like, our home stuff. So I may set this aside and not consider that part of the Christmas kit anymore. But I do still have these little goodies. There's actually these little, I may just stick this in my Christmas stuff. Whatever I don't use today, I think I'm going to stick in my Christmas stuff. But I do still have 4 pieces. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I'm already kind of seeing what I can do here. That looks cute right there. And then, I don't know about this yet. I'm not sure about these two yet, just yet. I have to think on these. But this was a Christmas photo. I took this we went to have dinner with my dad and my bonus mom and my stepsisters and my sister. Did she come? My daughter came. I don't remember. But the point of this photo, honestly, was that my dad was standing. If you've been watching me for any length of time, you know he was in the hospital for nearly 2 years. And he was so proud to be able to stand. So we're standing. Obviously, he's kind of leaning on us a little bit, but he's standing. And so that's like a little Christmas miracle in my mind. And so I want to kind of use that. I'm kind of debating here. Oh, I could cut out those trees maybe. Although I have a lot of this stuff here. I don't know. I need to think about what I want to do here. I kind of do want to frame this and put this little holly piece here. Maybe I'll end up using... Oh, that's cute in the back. I like the hollies, you guys. Oh, man. I like the hollies because I like the contrast, but this actually almost looks better. I could bring it down to the green here. That's a soft green. And then I could cut these trees out. I like this plaid. I wonder if I could use that some kind of way. Maybe I'll do this because this is cute. I like this kind of coming here. So I think I'm going to start here. Like I said, I have all these happy holidays. I have a little frame here that could go over the top. Merry Christmas, stuff like that. And then I have, this is Scrap and Happy Studio. This is not from this kit, but I thought the colors went really good. And this would be funny because he's kind of got a snarky sense of humor, and that says Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. So anyways, this is what I'm going to use. What I don't end up using up, I'm going to put in my Christmas stuff because, like I said, I've kind of got to clean out a slot over there, you guys. Oh, I got some good branding strips here. Okay, let me think about it, and I'll be back on in a second. You guys, this was so quick, I almost feel guilty. So at this point, I have trimmed down my little triangle-y base paper there by 1/2 inch. I did a 1/4 inch on all 4 sides. And then I have taken, I don't want to say gutted that little back sheet. I just cut out the Christmas trees from the corner. So I did cut out that little piece of it, but I left the rest of it intact. And I did fussy cut the trees. So that's kind of what I've done so far. I decided I wanted to map my photo, but nothing I had left. Well, that's a lie. I had 2 sheets of paper, one of which I kind of loved. And so I didn't want to cut any of them. So I have this little like container with all my old hip kit. I shouldn't say old. Well, I guess it is old. It's older kits that I still had little pieces left or papers or whatever. And I'll put my bigger scraps in there. And so I got off into my bigger scraps, and I had like a little blue plaid. And then I also keep the packaging because the cards that come with like the ephemeras and things, there's usually a pattern on them that matches the particular collection. And so I always kind of thumb through it if I need a photo mat, and I found one that has little like yellow polka dots that match the little yellow stars on the trees. And so I've double matted my photo with those. And then I did go ahead and use that little frame, the little sticker frame that's got little presents on it. It says just for you. And I've put that over the top of the 3 of us because the restaurant background is a little distracting, if I'm honest. And I could have cut the photo down, but then I think you end up with this strange tiny photo on a big piece of paper. So I left the photo the size it was, but then I just kind of framed us with a little sticker frame. And then on the little sheet, the little dimensional sticker sheet, there was like a little down pointing arrow thingy with a poinsettia with "Let's Celebrate" on it. And I thought, okay, that looks kind of cute up there in the upper left corner. And so I've kind of got the trees where I want them. They're actually basically where they were on the original sheet. in that lower left corner, but obviously I've fussy cut them out and doing something slightly different. Now I'm going to try to use my Nuvo glue here on this flare, the one that says Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. I had to poke a needle in it though, so I must not be setting it on my little stand all the way right or something, because every now and again, or about half the time technically, it's dried up a little bit, but it's not the other half, so it tells me I'm just not setting it on there right. So I've glued that down, and then now I'm going to get off into, I have a little binder with some of my Hip Kit stuff, and I pulled out a few little things, and then I also pulled out, well, I say a few little things, I guess the word exciting off this sticker sheet, and then I did pull out the little like wood button looking things that was in this collection, and I'm going to use those. And then I got into my stash and I pulled out those enamel dots. Those are actually pink fresh, but they go really well. So I was kind of debating on this. Do I want happiest or exciting? The problem with happiest is it was a little bit too almost purpley. I didn't think it went with the colors in this collection here. So I went ahead and used exciting. And then I've got this little thing that says thankful, and I went ahead and stuck that. Now that technically came from some kind of a fall collection, but it goes with the picture, the little frame around the picture. And then I thought, you know, this makes total sense, because my journaling, I will talk about, well, I'll read it to you real quick while I'm putting all these little circle things down. It says, after nearly 2 years in a medical facility, it was a bit of a Christmas miracle for my dad to stand for this pic with me and Debbie. Forever grateful he is alive, December 2023. And so, yeah, he was very, very proud of himself for standing. He'd been working. I mean, he works even to this day, y'all. So it's July. He's had to get some little prosthetic things for his ankles / calves, because laying in that bed for so long, his tendons like shrank or something. And I'm going to say all this, I don't know exactly the medical stuff, but his feet, you know, were kind of laid not straight up like you walk on them. They were kind of laid out. So the tendons and calf muscles and stuff just basically atrophied. So he had to have some special shoes and stuff made, which is fine. He's enjoying working with those. So that is what I got going on. I have my little enamel dots. I did my journaling over there, which I was happy with those lines. I really like this. This turned out really cute, and I didn't have to work real hard because the triangles on the paper did all the work for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If all goes well, I should have another video on Thursday. Plus, there's my Saturday and my Sunday and all the things. So make sure you do the like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.